Hello, welcome to Yokogawa's how-to video. My name is Sang Lee and I'm an application engineer for the Test and Measurement division. Today I would like to show you how to measure current using current transformers with power analyzers. You would only use current transformers if the current in a circuit is too high for direct measurements. CTs would produce a reduced current accurately proportional to the current in the circuit, which can be conveniently connected to power analyzers. Now I'll introduce three types of CTs. We have passive CTs like this that you can wrap the wires around through this hole or use one of these tabs to step down your primary current. If you are using CTs like this, you have to be mindful of turns ratio and scale down your current accordingly. My one word of caution is to never open circuit the secondary side of the CT while it's energized. If you do that, you might cause some serious damage to the CT. Now these CTs are current sensing types. Unlike the passive CTs that you've seen before, these CT heads needs to be powered by the power supply. Now also these CTs come with a specific current rating and turns ratio. And when the current is flowing through the circuit, the CTs would sense the change in magnetic field from the wire and sends a signal to the signal conditioning power supply. Then that scaled down current from the power supply can be connected directly to the power analyzer. Another choice of CT is this clamp-on CT. These are current sensing types that you would clamp onto circuit wires. Now these clamp-on CTs have less accuracy than the other two CTs, and they can have either current or voltage outputs. If you have voltage outputs for the clamp-on CTs, you would connect it to the external sensor input terminal, which is this blue terminal right here, or if it's a current output type, you can connect it directly to the current terminals. Now, after you make all the connections with the CTs and your power analyzer according to the wiring configuration you desire, you need to set your CT ratio on your power analyzer. And it can be accessed through here, and you can set your CT scaling for each elements. And if you have clamp-on CTs with voltage outputs, you will need to use the external sensor ratio, and you can set the external sensor ratio for each elements.